Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to save selections as individual files with Kutools for Excel. Kutools for Excel's export range to file tool can help us conveniently save selections as individual files quickly. Click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on Import and Export drop-down list and click on Export Range to File feature. In the Export Range to File dialog box, click on this button to select the range that you want to save as an individual file. Press the Enter key and then check the Excel Workbook option in the File Format section. At last, you can check the workbook options as you need. The Export Range to File tool of Kutools for Excel can save all formatting in the selection. Kutools for Excel's Export Range to File tool makes it possible to easily export a range of data to a file, either an Excel workbook, a PDF, a CSV, or a simple HTML, or all formatting HTML. If you check the Open the File After Export option in the dialog box, the new file will be launched automatically after exporting it successfully. Click this button to select a folder where you will save the file. Click OK. Again click OK. Then it will pop up a Select a Name dialog box. Enter a name for this new file. And then click the OK button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.